Greetings, everyone. My name is tgreen, and welcome to my channel called Mind Your Business. Mind Your Business is a relatively new channel. I created this channel earlier in the year 2018, and I don't have too many videos on this channel, but the videos that I do have on this channel focuses a lot on home-based businesses. Now, if you are on this channel and you're going through the list of videos, you notice that I have posted videos on how to become a home-based travel agent, as well as how to start a virtual bookkeeping business from home. Now, as far as the virtual bookkeeping business from home opportunity, I'm working on creating a course for that, which I'm going to roll out in mid to late December 2018. So you'll see all of the links in the description box. But for those of you who love to travel, you will find that becoming a home-based travel agent will allow you to enjoy all of the travel perks. Now, the opportunity to become a home-based travel agent is through a company known as Evolution Travel. And I have enclosed a presentation which describes the opportunity with Evolution Travel. So if you are interested in that opportunity, especially if you love to travel and you're that person in your family who likes to, book vacations, or you're the one who's a planner, that can be the perfect opportunity for you. So if after watching the video presentation, it interests you, all you have to do is just send me a response, a message in the comment section. I'll also enclose my contact information and I can get you started with that. Now, the real purpose of this video today is I just want to kind of introduce myself and let everyone know what type of content that I'm going to be posting on this channel. Now, a little bit about me. I'm down here in the Atlanta metro area. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Big Eagles fan, Sixers, Flyers, Phillies. Big 4-for-4 Philly person. Don't hold that against me, but I am. And by trade, I was a corporate accountant for many years. And I also teach accounting and QuickBooks and bookkeeping courses at the junior college, community college, as well as university level. And just recently, I got an aha moment where, I've worked a lot with small business owners, helping them manage their bookkeeping systems, helping them with QuickBooks issues, helping them set up QuickBooks issues and everything else. But I got the idea to really focus my teachings on how to help individuals start home-based businesses. So I have the home-based travel agency that I talk about a lot, but I also have the opportunity for individuals who are maybe bookkeepers or accountants or administrative assistants, medical office assistants, medical billers and coders. Those individuals who like numbers, who like computer systems, maybe you'll be interested in starting your own bookkeeping business and helping small business owner clients keep track of their books. Now, this industry is lucrative, especially if you choose the right types of clients to service, but every small business needs their books in order. Every small business needs their books in order, not just for financial purposes, but for tax purposes as well. And if you're a tax preparer and you work with a lot of small business clients, then you know that around tax time, it can get quite messy, especially if you have clients who bring their books to you and they don't be quite right. There's a whole bunch of receipts. There is a whole bunch of messiness going on. So you can be in a position where you can clean up your clients' books so that their taxes are presented more accurately and efficiently and have less chances of being audited. So this could be a wonderful opportunity for you, especially if you like numbers, especially if you like working from home, and most importantly, especially if you like making money from home, so to speak. So I posted a video in reference to that opportunity, explaining it more, and I also will include that video, a link to that video, in the comment section. So if that's an interest to you, you can check it out. But anyway, this channel will not just only talk about just those two industries in and of itself, which I will be occasionally posting videos on, but I just want to talk in general about small business, work from home, because that's going to be a continuing trend as the internet and technology and everything evolves. It'll be more efficient for you all to work from home. So you can consider myself the work from home consultant, since I've been doing it now for, I would say 2008 is when I really started it, even though, I do have, job that I do in addition to working from home. But entrepreneurship was a decision that I made about relatively 2.5 years ago. So, that's when I built this channel. And I also have another channel that I'll include in the links, which focuses a little bit more on certain tax, bookkeeping, QuickBooks topics, and that's for more on the business side. But this channel will be more of my discussion avenue channel, where I'll, post about working from home, getting your mindset in the state to work from home, and a whole bunch of other things. So, like I said, this is a new channel. Thank you for discovering me, and I'm going to post other videos, which is going to help you all who are interested in working from home and starting your own businesses and want a way to do it. I will be sharing my knowledge and sharing my expertise with all of you. So look forward to producing content. I look forward to building an audience, and I look forward to meeting all of you virtually and sharing my knowledge with all of you. So until the next video, take care of yourselves and stay tuned, because I have a lot more things to say.